subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can see the latest videos uploaded on my channel. Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the HP 803 black ink cartridge. So here friends, we are going to unbox it. So friends, here we have the package. As you can see, there is a barcode which I will obviously check it for the genuinity of the product. And then on the bottom we have the name, that is HP black color ink. And on the back, as you can see here, the price information is 971. So friends, here you can see the price is 971 and I have got it around 100 rupees discount on this from Flipkart. So yes, you can buy it from the links given below in the description. So let us open it. So friends, on opening this, we are getting the package of the cartridge, which looks like this. And this is original, made in Malaysia, black cartridge. Okay friends, now let me tear this. So inside the package we are getting the cartridge. So this is the cartridge that we have ordered. So this is the black cartridge that we have ordered, and here there is this seal, and on the below here you can see the ink nozzle. So friends, I hope you have liked this video, and if you want to buy this cartridge, I'll be giving the links in the description below. And also I have with me the color cartridge of the HP 803. So I'll be giving both the links in the description so you can buy it. So this I have ordered previously, which also costs a little bit same. So you can check the links in the description. And also I'll be giving the description of the printer in which you can use these cartridges. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.